Hi there and welcome to Learn English by Azim sir. Today I am going to teach you about very interesting things. Today I am going to teach you about adjective of quantity and number. These are very important things and everybody need to know about these things. And believe me guys, after watching these videos you're gonna learn so many things and you will have the confidence and you can speak confidently. So please you give me the 5 to 6 minutes and you stay with me and watch this video till end. So now let's start. The first of all which I'm going to teach you, let me write down here, like adjective of the quantity and number, like a lot of and a lots of and a good deal of and heaps of. Okay, please everybody pay attention on the board. A lot of, a lots of, a good deal of and heaps of. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 adjective of quantity here. There are 4 things. Okay, and these are the meaning has the same. You will say what? Of course, this is absolutely right. A lot of meaning bahut, lots of meaning bahut, a good deal of meaning bahut, and heaps of meaning bahut. Okay, so these are the meaning like bahut. Okay, these are very important which I am going to teach you. Please you learn the properly and you use all these things. Okay, so let's start. A lot of, a good deal of, heaps of. What are this meaning? Bahut. Now we will look at this thing where can be used and what are the difference between them or not, and why are there so many the words for using bahut. This is very good question. Okay, and the one more interesting thing which I'm going to tell you, that's all this the words, all this all this the adjective the quantity can be used for the uncountables and plural countable things. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4s can be used for both things, countables and uncountables, which I told you something ago, right? Suppose that now you can ask one more questions like what is countables and uncountables. Very good questions and I love to answering everybody's. I love to answering. Okay, so the first of all let me tell you about it, that what is the countable and uncountable. Uncountable things means which you can't count, and countable things means you can't count, you are able to count something. Suppose that I'm going to tell you something, that suppose that imagine you have some pen and I will tell you, Ghazal, can you tell me how many pens do you have? You will tell me I have 4 to 5 pen. I will tell you no, you tell me exactly how many pen do you have, and you count it and you will tell me, oh Azim, I have 5 pen. So pen is countable, but same things if I will tell you that Ghazal, do you have waters? You will tell me yes, I have waters, I have 1 glass waters. And if I will tell you that, what if I will tell you that Ghazal, can you count the waters? Can you count a glass of waters? How many waters is there? Can you count it? You can't count. Why? Because this is uncountable things. So there are some things exist in this world which you can something and which you cannot count some things. So pen, light, mobile, fan, home, chair, book, pen. What are these things? Countable. Because why? You are able to count this thing, and you can tell that I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But if I will tell you that you count the oil, salt, water, can you count? Rice? No. So these are uncountable things. So here's like I can use the adjective quantity with both things, means waters uncountable things and chair countable things. Okay, got it? Okay, now I'm going to tell you in the sentence so you can better understand. Suppose that I'm going to take the example here. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money means मेरे पास बहुत मोबाइल means मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं. Okay, and if I can say here I have a lot of water. Okay, and even I can say here I have a lot of mobile. Now look at here. I have a lot of mobile. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of water. I have a lot of mobile. Look at here. Water is uncountable things and mobile is countable things. And I used a lot of for both things, countables and uncountable things. The same things I can use this one lots of, and same things I can use a good deal of, and the same things here I can use heaps of. Suppose that I have of a mobile, I have of mobile, I have of water, and same things I can use a good deal of. Suppose that I have a good deal of water, I have a good deal of money, I have a good deal of oil. So these are the adjective of quantity can be used for the both things, countables and uncountables. Have you seen how interesting this class? I mean this lesson, this is very interesting and this is very effective. You need to know about all these things. Why? Because this is very important things. You will find all these adjective of quantity everywhere. If you're gonna read a book, you will find there. If you speaking somebody, you will might get there. So please read and remember and learn properly all these things, because unless you will not know the exactly and the proper, then you will keep getting the problems. So before to getting any problems, learn all these things. And I hope that all of you are very, very intelligent and very good students, and you might have learned all these things while teaching me. While I teaching you, right? So today the lesson was about the exact quantity of numbers, and I'm sure that everybody got it. And please practice and talk with your friend and use. Okay, and suppose that if you're not getting any partners, a speaking partner, then please you practice at home alone, because this is very good things. Practice make you perfect. So please don't forget and don't be lazy for practicing. This is result. The practice leads you a success. So please, I kindly request all of you guys, please request. Please you practice at home. Without practicing, you cannot be perfect. If you want to be better, then please you practice all these things. Okay, so we have learned so many things today, like a lot of a good deal of and heaps of, and this can be used for both things, countables and uncountables. So today class was very interesting, and I was also having a lot of fun while teaching, and I'm sure that you also got some fun while taking the class. So I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you in the next video, and I will give you something more interesting knowledge in next videos. So please guys, I'm going to tell you one more interesting thing, that if you are the new viewers in my channel, the first times, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please you subscribe my channel, and as well as press the icon bell so that you can get the notification first. And please you subscribe the channel and share this video with your friend, and stay with me, and whenever I'll upload my videos, just watch and learn. So till then, bye bye guys, take care, practice, learn well, and see you later. Bye bye.